Everyone should record. Let us start, guys. So what I was telling is that we were learning the rules of SQL. Okay, if you remember, we were learning what? Rules of SQL query writing. I guess yesterday class was there. We'll take out that particular notes and we'll proceed from there. Give me just 1 second. Yes, guys. So this was the notes. We are all of you are able to see my screen. Tell me yes, no.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So these are the rules. SQL is not case sensitive. SQL ends with semicolon. Select column 1, column 2, column n from all the table and star for what? Why?
Whole table. For selecting whole table.
For all the columns, we'll tell what? So selecting all the columns. What
all
will
the columns.
We'll use star. Now, no two SQL keywords can be written in 2 lines. Although SQL query can be written in 2 lines, 3 lines, or multiple lines.
Multiple lines.
Or multiple lines. Okay, this is the rule number list. And next rule is CLSCR is used to why?
Clear skin.
Clear the
Screen.
Okay. Next rule is ED, or we can also write edit. Okay, is used to
keyword.
Used
any
to,
SQL statement.
Is used to edit any SQL query. Okay, SQL query. Okay. Okay. Next, what can be the next rule is?
If we directly change the statement which we have given here.
No. See, this is what I see. First, I give the rules, then I show you. See, if I go here, I write the query. Okay, select the star from EMP. What is this rule? It will display what? Can I
all the columns of the
all the column records from this table. Okay. Now, if I want to edit this particular query, so we cannot go and just edit it. We cannot. There is no option to edit it. Okay. So what will happen? This is from the Oracle SQL Plus. What will happen is we'll use a command called as ed, then semicolon, then enter. Can you see this? Is it opened or not? Tell me yes, no. Yeah. So here you can edit. Suppose I wanted the ename. So what I will write? Select ename from EMP. Then what you have to do? Close this. So what is the option coming? Can everyone tell me what is the option? Do you want to save the changes? Yes. Okay. And after this, you have to use this slash, front slash, and then you have to enter. Did I got the changed query or not? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
So how to edit a query in SQL? What is the rules for that? We'll use the command called as ed semicolon or edit semicolon to use any SQL queries. And how to execute? To execute SQL query, we will use what? Front slash. Okay, n number of times you can use. Suppose 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 100 times. Just give front slash, execute. Give front slash and execute. Suppose I am here. I giving a front slash, enter. Giving a front slash, enter. Giving a front slash, enter. Now, if I have to clear the screen, can everyone tell me the command to clear the screen? CL.
Yes. Screen semicolon. Screen semicolon.
Okay. CLSCR is used to clear the screen. Okay. There's also, we can write the query, in the command prompt. I don't know, this option is, I am telling you this option, although that is not that much used, but I'm telling you. You have to write CMD, okay? And you have to click on OK. And then here, after opening this command prompt, you have to write here SQL plus. SQL plus, okay? Are you clear till this much?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have just opened the command prompt. Okay, to open the command prompt, from start we can just open this command prompt. Okay, and then what we have to write? We have to write what? SQL plus and enter. Okay, so it should be written without space. SQL plus. Okay, enter. Now what it is telling? Can you tell me what is it telling? It is telling to give what? Username or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes. Yes.
What is the username? SCOTT. Yes. What is the password? TIGER. Tiger. Yes. So here also we are able to write the queries. Yes or no? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what I can write? Select star from EMP. So am I getting the data? Am I getting the data here?
Yes.
Here we can directly edit. The benefit here is no. If I write here select star and I want to change, I can go here back. Okay. Are you able to understand? Here we can directly edit, but in the command prompt. But here, suppose I'm writing here. So suppose I write now I want to edit the S. So that option is not there in the SQL Plus window, but in the command prompt, there is an option. We can go back and we can edit. Okay. Is it fine? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
If I press up arrow, we'll get the same query which is executed in the last time. Are you clear till this much? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
If you are clear, then tell me rule number 8. We can execute queries or we can connect to database of Oracle, or I am writing simple. We can execute query in command prompt, CMD. Okay. And for that, what is the first command we will write? We'll write what? SQL
SQL plus
plus,
without space.
and then we'll give the username as what? Scott.
Scott.
And password as what?
Password tiger.
What is the difference here? Here we can
Here we can edit the
query
query
directly. We can edit the query directly. In that SQL Plus, no, we have to use the ed or edit command. Now the next thing is, see the way it is shown is not proper. Okay, so there is something called as line size and there's something called as page size. This is nothing but your line size. See, the line size is not proper. This is nothing but your page size. So means the line size and page size you have to edit to make the visibility proper. Okay, so that is what is the line size and page size. To set the lines, to set the line size, command is set lines 1000. 1000 is the line size. It can be 2000, 3000 or 4000 till maximum 4000. Set lines 1000, or you can write set line size 1000 to set the line size. Okay, and next is to set the page size. Nothing here. You have to set the line size and page size for a proper visibility. So command is what? Set pages 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, and here you have to put set page size 1000. So what we will do is we can increase the line size and page size for what? For proper visibility. For proper visibility. So now if I want to set the line size here, okay, first let us set the lines. So how we can set what? Lines 1000. Okay, let us write 1000. So line size is increased to 1000. Okay, and set pages. So pages is also increased to 1000. Now if I write select star from EMP, so am I getting the proper data in a precise way or not? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Yes. So same way in SQL Plus also. Okay, here I have set the
So here 1000. What does 1000 means?
the size of the line size. No, the size of the line is nothing but 1000. Size of the page is nothing but the page size. So that is
Does
what
it
is.
means that it will contain 1000 of data in each column?
No. There's nothing related to SQL only. It is about the proper visibility of the SQL statements. Okay, it is about the proper visibility of the SQL statement. So that is what is the line size and page size. Okay.
Okay.
So that is actually.
It is actually related to the size, not to the data number of datas.
No. It is actually the characters. Okay. You can tell it as characters. 200 characters. Yes.
Yeah. Characters.
Yes.
Okay.
So guys, let us just see in SQL Plus also, okay? So let us just see what will happen. We'll double click here. So what is the username? Can someone tell me? SCO-ET. What is the password?
PIGL.
So what will happen if I write a query, select star from EMP, what will happen? Are you seeing the wrong wrong visibility?
Yes.
So what I have to do is, I will have to set the line size and page size or not.
Yes.
So if I take
1000 set page 2000.
anything, yeah. So now if I take select, am I getting proper visibility or not? Tell me yes, no.
Yes, yes.
So that is what is the output appearance. So we just changed the line size and page size, and it is not a very big thing, but you should know these things because the length of the line and all these things are what is very important when the visibility is not there. Okay, so this is what is the thing I wanted to show you. Okay, so that you know this line size and page size. Okay, so line size and page size is clear, and we have also come to know the query section and the things we have already come to know. So now the next thing is next number rule. Next rule is
Mentioning for one time is fine, right? So I mean, remaining everything after under this will be coming in the same side lines,
yes,
right?
yes,
So
yes, yes. Just for the output, you just increase page size. You can do unlimited 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. Line size is 32,767. That is the limit. 32,000 around 32,767 is the line size. Page size is unlimited. So here what happened? No, you give just some number 1000, 2000. This is the characters to increase this. Just only once you increase, no, your proper visibility will come. That is what is the line size and page size. That too in this version of Oracle 10G. But if you go to 11G, 12C and all, you don't have to change all these things. That they are directly coming in a proper format. Okay.
okay.
So anyways, you should know all these things that you can increase the page size, line size, maximum is 32,767. And you can just give a value to have a proper visibility. Guys, now we will move to the next rule. So the next rule is the data in the table is case sensitive. Data in the table is case sensitive means what? This is a table. Okay. What I told you, SQL is not case sensitive. Do you remember that? Tell me yes, no.
Yes,
Yes.
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 So data is case sensitive means what? This color is case sensitive or not?
Yes, yeah, that is case.
Because this is a data. See, you can just copy from here and you can paste it in Excel. Okay. So you can just see, this is also a technique you should know. So what you have to do is you have to select this, Control C. Okay. And you can just open a particular anything. You can open a notepad, you can open um, uh, a particular Word document or anything. Can we copy the data? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what I wanted to tell you, this particular data is case sensitive. This is called data. Okay. These are the columns. Are you able to understand? This is column and this is what? Data. So what I told, data is case sensitive, but SQL queries are not case sensitive. So can you tell me which is case sensitive here? Is this ename case sensitive or not?
No.
And what about this king? King, is it case
Yeah,
sensitive?
it is.
Yeah. Yeah,
It is.
because this is data.
Okay. So now tell me the query. If I write select ename, so this will execute or not?
Yes,
Yeah,
it
it
will.
will execute.
It will execute. Okay. Now I write Will it execute?
No.
No.
No, it will execute. See, where is a filter condition? Okay, so yesterday I told you, if you remember, select star from EMP means we are selecting something from a table. I have it is simple English, right?
Yes.
Select something from the table or something from a table. So select star means all the columns, okay? And from EMP,
Right.
and then what happens? Where ename equal to, where is a filter condition means from this table you have to select the name equal to what? Smith. So where from which column? This column you have to select what? Which name? Smith. So now is it case sensitive or not data?
Case sensitive.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it will, yeah, it will execute, but it will tell what? No record found. There is no record whose name is Smith, where S is capital and MITH is small. So it will tell what? No rows
No
selected.
record found.
Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Are you understanding what is this case sensitive and data are not case sensitive? Did you got the proper clarity?
Mhm.
So let this table also you try once copying. Okay. Next. Okay. Next rule we will learn is what? The SQL statements, okay, needs to be written in see, next rule we will discuss when we will learn the operators and all, okay, because next rule I wanted to tell you, but you'll need to learn operator, but I'm writing here, okay. First, the filter condition of any SQL statement executes, and then the select statement. What is this thing? This is the last rule I'm telling you, okay. This is this filter condition you have to learn. Filter condition means what? This is a where condition. This is called as a filter condition. So in a table, when you execute such kind of statements where filter condition is used, where is used, first this will get executed, then this portion will get executed. Are you able to understand? That means what? First, where ename equals to Smith, where ename equals to Smith, what? First it will try to select what? Smith, and then it will execute what? Select star from EMP. Are you able to understand? That means first the execution process is using the filter condition Smith from this table. Although we are writing the query in the select star from table, from this table you have to select Smith, but when the execution happens, first it goes with the filter condition and then it goes with the selection. Are you able to understand? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the execution part, although this is just for understanding that first the filter works and then the actual selection. So you should know these things also. So this is overall the rules of SQL, okay? So that you have the complete idea what is a database, what is a table, what is a table? Can anyone tell me?
Collection of the.
Yeah, table is collection of row and columns.
Okay, very good guys. So which database we are learning? Let me check. Which database we are learning?
Yeah, Oracle.
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 Okay, Oracle. Okay, which version? 10G.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the difference between RDBMS and DBMS? I told you. Do you
Yeah,
remember?
DBMS is data. RDMS means relational database management system.
Correct. That
And,
is the full form. What is the difference?
Yeah. In relational database, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL will come, and in DBMS
No,
will.
that will not come. That are examples of RDBMS.
Yeah, this is the example of RDBMS.
RDBMS means we can establish the relationship between the tables. Are you able to
Yeah.
understand? And DBMS, we
Yeah.
cannot establish
We
the
cannot
relationship.
establish the relationship in the table.
First point, this is the most important when you explain RDBMS, DBMS. RDBMS is having high security, DBMS is having less security.
Less security.
All those things you can tell, but the first main difference is the most important. If you tell this answer is over, that we can establish the relationship between the tables only in RDBMS. In DBMS we cannot establish the relationship between the tables. Are you able to understand? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Yes. So Oracle is RDBMS or DBMS?
RDBMS.
RDBMS, relational database management system. That means we can establish the relationship between what? Between the tables. Okay.
Table.
Very good guys. Now, there is something called as scalar data, and there is something called as group data. Okay. The next topic, we can just understand what is a scalar data and what is a group data. So scalar data means what? One input, or scalar, or we can write as non-grouped data. Scalar or non-group data is one input and one output. One input and one output. Suppose we give a one input and we get one output. That is nothing but the scalar data. Now, what is grouped data? Grouped data means multiple inputs and one output. If there are multiple inputs and one output, then it becomes what? A grouped data. Are you able to understand? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Now we will see what is a scalar data and what is a group data in detail, and we will also learn there is something called as filter condition, and the filter condition name is where. Okay, so the execution of any select statement is what? First we will write select, then what? Star, then we write star or any column if we want to select. So now let us select everything. Then from, then what happens? Table name. Okay. Okay.
Semicolon.
So here we can select anything. We can select either star or any column 1, column 2, column 2, anything. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Now let us just take column 1, column 2. Let us just write in a proper way. Okay. Up to what? Column n. Any column we can select. Column n. Okay. From the table name, this is my basic query, and then we will write what? A filter condition. Okay. Filter condition is nothing but your where. Where is what? Is the filter condition. Where is what? Filter condition. Where. Okay. Now what you have to write? Column name. Where, then column name, and then you have to write what? Equals. Okay. Value. Equals what? Value. As of now, equals. There are other operators also. This equal, I am just writing what? Operators. Operators. And then these are what? Values. There are other operators also. This is one I have written is equal. For an example, there can be other operators also, which we will see later. Okay. Operators like greater than or less than, all those things we will see later. Yes, so this is what looking very complex, but it's very easy thing. Okay, so what I am telling is, to learn any filter condition, we have to learn something called as what? Operators. This is the syntax. Select all these columns from the table where column name equals to equal or any operator equals to the value. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn. So this is the syntax. So understanding the syntax, we have to learn something called as what? Operator. Have you heard about operator in your life? Java, C, C
Yes.
sharp, anything? Have you ever heard?
Yes.
There is something called as what? Arithmetic operator. Have you heard about that?
Yes, yes.
So what are the arithmetic operator? Can anyone tell me?
Arithmetic operator means use arithmetic.
You have never seen any of arithmetic operator? Plus, minus,
Yes, yes. Always
divide,
use.
then mod.
Multiplication.
Yes, multiplication. Have you heard about these things or not? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
So it works in BODMAS formula. First the divide, and then the if you know, then it comes the multiplication. Let us just write arithmetics only. Okay, then it comes what? Multiplication, then addition and subtraction. If both are in the same order, then we have to, who comes first will be taken. I think you know this arithmetic operators. Okay. Okay, let us come here. So arithmetic operator, are you clear? Tell me yes, no. Plus, minus, divide, multiply.
Yes.
At least you know these things or not. Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Yeah. So if I have to write any arithmetic question, let me just clear the screen. Select, if I write 8 plus 8 from EMP. Sorry. 8 plus 8 plus is yeah, 8 plus 8 from EMP. So the output will be what? 16, 16, 16, everything. So this is arithmetic operation plus I have done. Okay, there's a table which you should know. There's something called as a table which is very, very important, called as dual table, to perform any independent operation. Okay, to perform any independent operation, we will use a table called as what? Dual table. So dual table is used to perform any independent operation. It is present in Oracle DB. It is already present in Oracle DB. So to perform any independent operations, that means what? If I have to perform 8 plus 8, so what I will write, select 8 plus 8, what I can write from dual. So are you able to see directly? I got no, I don't have to go to EMP table, because EMP table will give all its record as like that. So I wanted to perform an independent operation. So I have gone with what? Dual.
Dual.
Is it clear? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Okay. Now this is arithmetic operator. You can write 8 minus 8, anything plus minus divide multiply. So this is very, very simple thing. Okay, let us come to relational operator. Have you heard about this relational operator? Guys, tell me relational operator. Guys, have you heard about relational operator or not? Greater than and less than.
Yeah, greater than this.
Greater than, equal to, then
Less
less
or
than, equal to. Have you heard about this or not? Tell me yes.
Less
Yes,
than.
yes, yeah.
Then
Yeah.
so what happens here? If I or simply what? Simply what? Equal to. So if I want to select a particular thing from a particular table, I have to use relational operator. If I want the salary to be greater than 800, what will be the query? Salary greater than 800. Tell me.
Select salary is greater than or equal to.
No, yeah, let us take all the columns as of now. Just after select a star from EMP, you have to tell the query in that format. Tell me if I want to select.
Select star
Select a
from
star
EMP
from
where sales are
Where
greater than or equal to
Sal-
800 semicolon.
Okay, so now see guys, this
Semicolon.
select a star from EMP, everything. Where is filter condition? Which column I have to select? Salary. Greater than what?
800.
800.
So all the salaries greater than 800 is coming or not? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I want to select a particular name, Ellen, so can you tell me the query? I want to select Ellen.
Select star from EMP
Okay.
where e name equals to ALLEN semicolon.
Where
Equals
what?
to
No. First, see the table. Where is Ellen? Ellen is in which
ename.
column?
Ename.
Ename column. So what I have to write? Select a start from EMP is fine. This is filter condition.
Yeah,
From this column, ename. Ename equals to what?
LN.
Ellen.
So this is a string. Ellen is a string or not? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
What is a string? Collection of characters. Are you able to understand?
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Do you know what is a string? Collection of characters are called as what?
Correct. String.
Guys, do you know what is a string or not?
No.
Yeah.
The collection of
Collection of characters.
characters is called as
String.
okay, string. So string is always written in, the main thing what I wanted to tell you is
Character.
string is always written in single quotation. String is always written in
Single quotation.
single quotation. Okay. What is the spelling of quotation? ATION, okay, single quotation. Okay, string is always written in single quotation. So that means what? If I want to write ln, what will the query select start from MP where ename equals to what?
ln.
ALLEN.
So here ln is case sensitive, so we have to write it in caps now.
Yes, because this is the data. My rules are generic. Okay, whatever I tell in SQL, that becomes a rule. So remember my rules by heart whenever you go to any interview and everything will come from my rules. There is no other rule can be developed with respect to SQL. As I have told, whatever rules I have told, that is a generic rule. Whether you go to Microsoft, Apple, Google, wherever you go, the same rules will happen. So here where ename equals to what? ln. Yes, guys, are you able to understand? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
So now you are getting some idea to get the data from a table and also using the filter condition and also using relational operators and arithmetic operators. Are you clear till this much? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now the next thing what we are going to learn is after relational operator, there is something called as logical operator. Have you heard about this? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
What are the logical operator? Can you tell me?
Conditions.
What are the logical operator? Or,
If,
and,
Yeah, if, and, or.
then, in. Okay, and, or. Okay, so let us just take or and. Okay, so logical operators means what? There are two kinds of logical operators. Okay, so or and. Okay, now let us go to execute this query. How to clear the screen? CL. SCR. Okay, now if I got the data, select star from EMP. I have to use a logical operator. That means what? I want the employee name to be Smith, and the salary should be 3,000. Okay, so both the conditions I want. Either the name should be Smith or the salary should be 3,000. So can you think a query?
Yeah. Select star from EMP where
No, you all try.
Greater
Please write in chat. Let me think. See how much you know. Please write in chat your own personal queries. Either the ename should be Smith. The question is, ename should be Smith or salary should be 3,000. So write a query for this. Okay, write a query. Everyone write a query and send me in the chat box. Just try for some seconds and send me.
Yeah, I have sent. I have sent it.
Hello guys. Did anyone wrote? I can
Yes,
see.
Vikram.
I can see Ramkrishna and written. What about all these people? Divya, Nilima. They are not writing. Divya, Nilima, are you there or
Yes,
not there?
sir. Yes,
So you cannot write a query.
I have written.
You did not send her.
I have sent.
It is. Oh, Divya has written. Great. I don't know. That girl has out. I don't know. Okay, let us first see. So the queries what you have written is select star from EMP where ename equals to Smith equal to 3,000. This is wrong query. Okay, what you have written, Ramkrishna, select star from EMP where ename equals to Smith or salary is 3,000. Yeah, this is correct query. Okay, now guys, so you have to use an operator. Okay, which is that condition. Okay, let us just come here. Select start from EMP. Till here, all of you are clear, right? Tell me yes, no.
Yes, yes.
So the filter condition we have to use. Where what? First thing is what? I wanted what? E-name is
E-name
equals to
equal
what?
to name Smith data.
Smith, or I what, or what I want? I want what? Salary to be 3,000. So I have to select this column or not? Tell
I
me yes or
missed. Yes, yes.
tell me yes or no.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Smith salary 800, right?
Or salary equal to what? What was the condition? 3,000.
800.
3,000.
3,000.
3,000.
Yeah, any condition you just take. Okay. So I got this Smith also, and I also got this condition that salary should be 3,000. Okay. Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
So we have given or condition, right? Either it shows that or this. And everything.
No, no. If you write and no, so you will get a Smith whose salary should be 3,000. Okay.
Okay.
Then it will generate no record found.
No record. Okay, okay.
Okay, guys. Now write a query to get the guys. Yeah, write a query. Write WAQ means write a query. Write a query to get employee ward. Okay. Employee ward or salary greater than 2,000 and salary less than 5,000 or department number equals to 20 or employee number greater than 2,000 or hire date greater than 1980. Yes, write down this query. WAQ means write a query to get employee ward. Okay, to get the employee of get an employee ward. So this is ward. Okay, ward whose name is means e-name, whose name is what? Ward. And then what is the next condition? Or salary is greater than what? 2,000. Salary is greater than what? 2,000. And this is one condition, or salary greater than 2,000 and salary less than 5,000. The salary should be greater than 2,000, but salary should be less than 5,000. Next condition, or department number should be kept equals to 20, or what will happen? Employee number should be greater than 2,000 or hire date should be less than 1980. So now you write down the query. Let me see how much you have understood. Shreya, your call got disconnected.